We are all connected. Never has that been more apparent than now. Even when we're separate, we're together in our efforts. Because of the current pandemic, we now have a greater responsibility to protect each other. The current pandemic has affected more than 3 million people in the world. Infectious diseases have shaped human history and remain with us today, continuing to burden populations worldwide and threaten the global economy. Older adults and vulnerable populations are especially at risk. And yet, we have no clear-cut solution at the moment. In a time of complexity and confusion, sanitation should be simple. Sanitation 101 involves clean hands. A sanitation spritzer, PUMPIX, has the appearance of a sleek wristband. Aside from its comfortable lightweight wearability, this product is affordable and simple to use on your hands as well as commonly touched surfaces, both in public and at home. After you fill up the gadget's inner chamber, PUMPIX is good for 100 pumps. PUMPIX offers a straightforward design and peace of mind. You no longer need to buy small bottles of sanitizer. You can use PUMPIX as many times as you wish and refill it when you run out of sanitizing liquid. Less plastic means less harm to the environment. After touching the elevator button, a grimy door handle at the supermarket, or your phone's touchscreen, clean those nasty germs with PUMPIX. The PUMPIX backward sliding button activates the inner chamber with one pump, releasing just the right amount of sanitizing mist to rub on both hands from front to back and between fingers. PUMPIX is your sanitizer at hand and your companion in the battle against illness. We have found manufacturers in the US that will produce PUMPIX so that we can deliver it to you fast. Remember, this won't end for anyone until it ends for everyone. And even when it ends, PUMPIX will be on standby to defend you when needed in the face of colds, flu, stomach bugs, and beyond.
We first invented SpiroFlex technology for NASA to keep astronauts fit on the International Space Station. We decided to miniaturize SpiroFlex to create the OYO Gym, a portable gym for strength training at home, in the office, and while traveling, to solve the #1 reason people don't exercise: time. The OYO team turned to Kickstarter to help us bring this to market. And in just 45 days, you propelled the OYO Gym to the second highest funded fitness product in Kickstarter history.
We all just got done with our group class, only needing our OYO Gym. We had a really good time. We're hot, we're sweaty, but we had a lot of fun.
OYO Fitness is one of the fastest growing health and fitness companies in the world. Our customers love the OYO Gym. Just read their reviews. However, there is one thing everyone's been asking for: more resistance. Well, we listened, and here is our answer: the next evolution of the OYO Gym, Nova. Nova is a full gym in your hands that enables you to work out where you are right now and enjoy the same benefits as weights, without the weight. Powered by our patented SpiroFlex technology with 10, 20, 30, up to 40 pounds of smooth SpiroFlex resistance that feels like plate-loaded equipment at the gym. T-handles provide a better grip to control the higher resistance levels and are reinforced with steel tubes. Nova features the same type of nylon-coated stainless steel cables used on health club equipment and the fitness breakthrough no other gym has: double flex activation, providing resistance to opposing muscle groups within a single movement, building a balanced body in less time. You can expand the range of exercises by anchoring the Nova Gym to your foot or a door. If you have the time for the crowded health club, that's great. But what if you could save time and do those same exercises where you are right now? Chest fly, back fly, bicep, tricep, lat pull down, rows, shoulder press or raise, ab crunch, back extension. Our founder of Oyo Fitness invented Spiroflex resistance technology, which powers the Nova Gym. But before Nova, Spiroflex was first developed for NASA to keep astronauts in shape on the International Space Station. A NASA 16-week ground study proved Spiroflex technology increased muscle hypertrophy, or in plain language, increased muscle size as much as lifting free weights.
When I returned to Earth after using the Spiroflex technology almost every day over 6 months, I was physically stronger in every test.
Spiroflex technology was recently inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame. The Nova Gym with Spiroflex technology enables you to fit fitness into your busy life, to get lean and fit anywhere, anytime, home, in the office, or while traveling. Build and sculpt your chest, back, arms, core, and legs. When you join the Oyo Fitness community, you're not just purchasing a workout device. You're joining the Oyo Fitness Club with access to our vast library of workout videos, including the Oyo 10-Week Challenge, in which participants achieved life-changing results. Building on the success of the original Oyo Gym, the Oyo Nova Gym delivers an increased resistance you asked for, and is quite simply the best portable strength training device in the world. The Oyo Fitness team is excited to get the Nova into your hands. We've listened to our backers. We've upgraded our design. Now we ask you to join us and transform your body with Nova.
Do you ever feel like your house just can't get clean enough? Breakfast messes, dog fur, and hair everywhere on the floor. Now I've tried everything to clean. The fact is that some robot vacuums just don't clean very well, and you often need different tools to clean with. And lots of times you have to clean up tangled hair on the insides yourself. Then I found Higher TAB Tablet. Hey Alexa, start cleaning.
Okay, starting to clean.
Wait, this isn't just an ordinary robot vacuum cleaner.
TAB Tablet has patented hair anti-winding cutting technology, which cuts the hair as it vacuums so that it doesn't get tangled up anywhere in the cleaner. The anti-winding technology and the powerful suction means that you'll never have to clean out tangled up hair from your vacuum cleaner ever again.
That's not all it cleans.
TAB Tablet has a super unique built-in detachable cleaner, so you can clean hard to reach places by hand. You can set the cleaning time through the TAB Tablet app. It uses advanced LDS and SLAM navigation radar to ensure that every inch of your home gets thoroughly cleaned. You can easily set up virtual walls so that it doesn't go near places that you want it to avoid. Other cleaners leak water everywhere, but TAB Tablet has drip control technology, which means no unexpected puddles. It also has an adjustable mop, which provides close contact with the floor and then cleans thoroughly. TAB Tablet really has all the bases covered. It reaches under beds and sofas, climbs small obstacles, and does not fall. Best of all, it has automatic cleaning and charging. You might not know this, but Higher TAB is an online company that is part of the Higher Electronics Group, the same company that has brought you awesome electronics for millions of homes over the years. I use TAB Tablet over the entire house and vacuum and mop with ease. That's why I love having it in our home.
The world is changing, and now more than ever, we need to be vigilant about the things we touch and the germs we get exposed to doing everyday activities. From riding on public transit, touching door handles, pushing public buttons and keypads, handling money, and shaking hands, there are a million ways you can spread germs to yourself and others. That's why we bring you Eco Gloves, the first individually packed, eco-friendly gloves that help you handle everyday germs and messes on the go. They're the perfect solution to help you avoid direct contact with shared surfaces such as door handles, gas pumps, ticket counter touchscreens, and shopping carts by providing a physical barrier between you and the things you touch. They're made from plant-based materials, are 100% compostable, so they make it convenient for you to stay clean on the go while being environmentally friendly. And unlike other solutions that are bulky and are a hassle to carry around, or ones that can leak and spill in your pocket, Eco Gloves is small, lightweight, and easy to carry so you can take them anywhere you go. With 24 pairs packed in these convenient size packets, you can stash them in your pocket, backpack, purse, and even wallet. And they're strong and durable so they can handle the toughest of jobs. There are germs and messes to be dealt with out there, but now you don't have to hold back on life when you have Eco Gloves to protect you.
Hi, I'm Patty, founder of the world's first eco-friendly glove for everyday messes on the go. As a new mom, I knew that good health starts with clean hands. That's why I needed clean hands constantly when eating on the go, picking up dirty items, or cleaning around the house while caring for my son. It hasn't always been easy, but having Eco Gloves has given me clean hands, peace of mind, and most importantly, it has allowed me to tend to my now toddler quicker, faster, and before a meltdown. And now, I hope it helps you, if not for caring for your kids, then for eating on the go, meal prepping, picking up after your furry friend, or even household cleaning. And what I love about this product is that it's 100% compostable, biodegradable, BPA-free, latex-free, and completely eco-friendly so you can use them without guilt. And they come in these convenient-sized packets so you can stash them in your purse, wallet, pocket, and even diaper bag without hassle. We've created some amazing samples, but now we need your help to bring this product to life. Your contributions will allow us to meet our factory's minimum quantity requirement and enable us to create this premium quality product that I know you will come to love. Don't take my word for how great it can be to have instant clean hands on the go. Join us, try it for yourself, and experience how much easier, better life could be.